Hi, welcome to an edition of Moms on the Go. We appreciate you guys taking time out to watch us. Make sure you like our channel and subscribe. So make sure you press the like button and also subscribe to our channel. And today what we're going to talk about, I have a presentation prepared for you, and it's about the IRS tax deadline, as well as some information regarding the economic stimulus. So if you want to know if there's a deadline or not, or how much money you're going to get from the stimulus package, or if you're going to get any regarding the COVID-19, make sure you stay tuned and watch to the end of the video, so we have some good information out there for you. Okay, subscribe, pass it on to your friends as well. IRS tax deadline for 2020, and also see if you qualify for the economic stimulus payment for the coronavirus tax relief. Here is our disclaimer. We do not work for, nor are we affiliated with the IRS. For more information, visit their website at irs.gov. So who is eligible for the economic impact payment? Tax filers with adjusted gross income up to $75,000 for individuals and up to $150,000 for married couples filing joint returns will receive the full payment. Who is eligible for the economic impact payment? For filers with the income above those amounts in the previous slide, the payment amount is reduced by $5 for each $100 above the $75,000 to $150,000 threshold. Who is eligible for the economic impact payment? Single filers with income exceeding $99,000 and $198,000 for joint filers with no children are not eligible. Who is eligible, again, for the economic impact payment? Social Security recipients and railroad retirees who are otherwise not required to file a tax return are also eligible and will not be required to file. Eligible taxpayers who file tax returns for either 2019 or 2018 will automatically receive an economic impact payment of up to $1,200 for individuals or $2,400 for married couples and up to $500 for each qualifying child. How will the IRS know where to send my payment? The IRS will calculate and automatically send the economic impact payment to those who are eligible. How will the IRS know where to send my payment? For people who have already filed their 2019 tax returns, the IRS will use this information to calculate the payment amount. How will the IRS know where to send my payment? For those who have not yet filed their return for 2019, the IRS will use the information from 2018 tax filing to calculate the payments. The economic payment will be deposited directly into the same banking account reflected on the return filed. Here's the party time, happy information you've been waiting for. The new tax deadline has changed due to the coronavirus pandemic. The new deadline to file and pay for your federal income taxes for 2020 is July 15th, 2020. Yay!